Hi KinderCare families, my name is Ariel Acosta and I work in the Inclusion Services Department here in Portland, Oregon. Today we are at home in my home office, which happens to be in our son Sebastian's room. It's definitely not, our ideal setup, but it is currently the setup that works the best for us. After a lot of family talks, my partner and I kind of decided that this would be the best area due to kind of sheer amount of space and also the fact that Sebastian was feeling, like he needed a little extra one-on-one time with me throughout the day, or still wanted to be able to come in and out of the area that I was in. We also learned pretty early on, about a week in, that unfortunately Sebastian is all done with naps. His body was telling us, and he was definitely verbally telling us that he didn't want to nap anymore and he wasn't feeling comfortable being in a room by himself. So, to kind of combat that and coming in and redirecting him, 20, 30 times within the hour, we just moved my area in here, and now we work together for about an hour and a half in the day. I get to work mostly uninterrupted. He hangs out on his bed. He has his books, he has his stuffed animals, he has his water bottle. He kind of gets to quietly rest and relax while he gets to share some space with me. And I get to, mostly work on my emails or finishing a project. We turn off the lights, shut the blinds, put on some classical music, and kind of get to spend that time together, which works really well because my partner then kind of gets her space and her break as well in the day. I think the biggest thing that happened for us was just a lot of communication, a lot of talking about this is what I need in this time, what do you need, and how can we kind of work that together. Are you high-fiving all of your animals, bud? But just being really agile, being really communicative, and just saving space and saving grace for each other. It has helped a bunch for us. If you have any tips of how you're getting through and surviving this new normal of quarantine, we would love to hear them. Please share with us on social media. If you ever want to check out some fun and awesome new activities, go ahead and look over at our KinderCare website. There's new ones posted weekly. We're hoping that you are staying safe and you're staying healthy, and we can't wait to see you guys on the other side of this. Sending all of our love from Portland. Hope you guys are doing well. Bye. You want to say bye, bud?